morning everyone. We had quite a nice sleep in the boat last night.
Really nice sleep actually.
Yeah, we slept all the way through.
Super cosy, quiet, lovely next to the sea.
It was lush.
Yeah, it's pretty wicked.
We're just about to leave the boat and go to Tip Top Mountain.
More bloody steps. This just keeps going. Nearly at the top. Okay, so we're going to say goodbye to our cabin now because we're transferring to maybe a bigger boat, is that right? I think it's
a smaller boat.
A smaller boat? Okay, we're transferring to a smaller boat and then we're just going to take us to the rest of the journey to Kappa Island. And we're back on the bikes. And mine sounds like a dolphin. Can't do anything about that. Still. That is a beautiful view to be riding a bike next to. Just trekking now, got off the bikes. Just seen a huge spider. Couldn't focus on it though, which is annoying. All creepy crawlies in here and I don't like it. But when you're in the jungle and you've got nothing to eat, you might have to drink your wee. Now we're in a cave.
Normally, in the rain season, in the summer, from June, July, you come here to see 2,000 bats. Really? But normally now, dry season, that's when they flew outside. You can be the very good, the step for climbing.
또 unterschiedlich. 50 km, 30
Step on left, you see the little stone outside. See higher, look higher. That one? Yes, correct. And standing up. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, you see. Hand up. Give hand. Okay. Right. Safety now. Yes.
Beautiful, right? Look. Great viewpoint.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Just taking a picture. No.
Okay, babe, finish that.
Thanks. Just a bit rugged. I don't know if you can see just how jaggedy these rocks are. It's just not very nice to climb on. It's actually a lot harder than Fansipan, in just that you can't really touch anything because it's sharp. Jesus Christ. Okay, nearly there.
We are in the forest. Yeah. Well done.
Well, that was a bit hard, wasn't it?
Yeah, the rocks were really sharp going up and down there, which was a little bit dangerous. But it was only about 15-20 minutes worth of climbing, which was really nice.
It was good. That was good fun though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
Quite nice. Bit of adventure.
Lots of massive spiders.
Oh, they're huge.
Black spiders.
I think I've actually got one in my pocket.
Don't say
there.
that.
back on the bikes. Preferred mode of transport in this country. At least mine's not noisy now. I'll swap.
Medicine wine or snake wine?
Neither of those.
None of it.
Okay, rice wine, okay?
Rice wine, okay.
Easy, not difficult. Not easy than rice wine. Snake wine, easy than rice wine. Cheers.
Nice.
Du musst den Hirschknochen.
Yes. Yes. The body.
Wow.
Look the body car. Here. The tail. The fish. See? Wow. This, you know, they call the flower group program for lucky fish. They put the pet in here. That's why they give for lucky.
Just seen, is it 2,000 people on the floating village,
Yeah.
I think, which is quite cool.
Amazing.
And they just live out there all year, fish from the sea, got like a little supermarket and stuff there, it's pretty good. Okay, so we are recording this
1 week.
1 week after we've got back. We had a few troubles on the last few days of our holiday.
From filming our last entry when we was in the hotel, as you just seen, I became quite ill.
Yes.
I got a fever, I had really bad belly, really bad headaches, and I went to the hospital.
So the day after this was filmed, we were in the hotel, we went out for dinner, that was fine, and then the next day you were pretty much feeling horrible, weren't you? Woke up and it wasn't very nice. So we chilled out for a little bit, edited the vlogs, give it a little bit of time, and then you weren't feeling any better, so we decided, just to be sure, to go to the hospital. So we took a taxi to the hospital, which was luckily on the island, and you had
2 x-rays.
Yeah, which cost, we had to pay 30 quid or something for those.
Yeah.
30 Great British pounds, which is a bit annoying.
But I'm okay. It was just a really bad stomach virus. They gave me a lot of medicine and I just had to make sure what I was eating was okay. But to be fair, I didn't really eat anything, and it's been a week and I've only just started to eat proper food.
Yeah. We also apologise because obviously we didn't film any more of that on the island, and actually the island was a little bit disappointing for us. I think it was just because we went out of season.
Yeah.
And it was basically everything was shut. We bought an extra day there because we was hoping that the weather would be nice as well and there'd be things to do, but it turned out there wasn't. So
but we didn't know that.
Yeah.
It was much better than going to Hanoi with the loud noise. So it was nice, even though I was ill, it was nice to know that we had a nice hotel and that we was near a hospital and everything was okay. Yeah, it was actually really nice and relaxing on Capra Island, even though we didn't really investigate it, which is a shame. It was nice and chilled out, and that's what we needed after that holiday. We did so much climbing, so much walking, but one experience.
We had an amazing time and we've learnt a lot, and we feel like also doing these videos we've learnt a lot as well. We've looked back on them and we can see, you know, what we need to improve on and what we're going to do in the future. Yes, we're just going to hopefully plan our next one, I guess.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the vlogs. Do let us know what you thought about them as well, on areas that we could improve on maybe.
I think we'll be vlogging over Christmas. Until then, make sure you like the videos, check out all the Vietnam vlogs, and make sure you subscribe as well if you want to see some more.
Thanks.